Hey, what's up, everybody? So, yeah, we're doing one more video in regards to ChatGPT and Word, but with one added bonus. We're going to add in some AI image generation using DALL-E. So what I'm showing right now is what a current workflow is. You know, you have an idea, you starting in Word, you're gonna do maybe a short story. Well, you go to ChatGPT to get your data, you bring it inside of Word, you need some images, you go out to Midjourney or DALL-E and you bring the images in. But there should be a better, faster, more efficient way to get this done. And what I think that this presents some great opportunities for this type of integration. So check it out. So as you see, the interface very similar to what you saw in my previous video, but I've added the DALL-E tab so that we can stay within the confines of Word in this case, and still get the images that we need without leaving Word to go out, generate them, and then bring them back in. This helps streamline our workflow so that we just stay in one central place, do the work we need to do. And for me, just kind of playing with it, you know, I found it useful. I didn't have to jump in and out of, different applications, but that's just me. If I can do it all in one application, I'll much rather prefer that. But just hang with me here for a little bit. I'm just going to show you how someone could go about, in this case, let's say if you're writing a short story, and we're just going to kind of go through the whole workflow, a possible workflow of how it could be done with this type of integration. So we went out, called ChatGPT's endpoint. Okay, we got a nice little story here. So what I'm going to show is how you can just to take some of the content and start generating some images. Now, this is not a prompt engineering tutorial. I repeat, this is not a prompt engineering tutorial, but as you'll see, as this video goes on, some of my prompts get a little bit better in regards to the images that get generated. So I just copied that straight from what ChatGPT gave us, and I'm placing it in, and I'm going to start generating some images. Okay, I'm not sure what that actually generated. So we're going to keep trying until we get some images that that will satisfy what we're trying to achieve in this particular document or short story. Ain't having too much luck, but let's insert it and see. So it's supposed to be a futuristic city, but that looks more like a ancient Roman city fused with a city of today. So let's keep trying. All right, so we speeding up the video here a little bit. Okay, they're getting a little bit better, or maybe just the prompt that I'm using. And I'll say it again, I'm just pulling it straight from the document that was generated by ChatGPT inside of Word. Okay, getting a little bit better. So as I start adding more verbiage, the images get a little bit better. And what I didn't do, what I should have done, is actually tried to copy some of the prompts that I use in Midjourney, because Midjourney, I have some pretty, at least in my opinion, some pretty cool art that I've generated. Okay, they're getting a little bit better. But I just noticed this, the city is supposed to be in the clouds, so I'm not sure what happened there. Oh, I see what's going on. It's because I didn't, in all of my prompts, I didn't continuously state to generate the cities in the cloud, or I even use a keyword in the cloud. So, hey, just like that pop-up, go ahead and subscribe, and share if this is valuable to you. I'm trying to grow this channel, and I like what I'm doing. But hey, if nobody's really digging it, or if they're not getting any value, hey, I don't want to waste my time nor anyone else's. Okay, we're almost done. So the image is getting a little bit better. So as you see, there's 3 different image sizes that DALL-E allows you to generate: 256, 512, and 1024. They're square images. So I just chose 1024, and then the thumbnail image collection, I think I have it set to 150 by 150. But when you actually insert that image into your document, it's gonna render based on the size that you've chosen. So that's a little bit bigger, as you can see. Now I'm just going to start, if this was a real live document that we're trying to put together, you get your images in there. So now you can start placing them throughout the document as you see fit, or what makes the most sense. So really, like I said, this is just a workflow, a seamless integration, so you don't have to go in and out of different applications. Now, for all of those who want to see some code, according to the analytics, people usually drop off right about now. So that's why I put this towards the end. But hopefully, like I said, I'm just going to show just a little bit, and some of the classes. You guys have seen the ChatGPT code, my previous video, a couple of my previous videos. I'm still reusing that. I'm using Blazor, by the way, and what I was just showing right there was something called a dynamic component, which is pretty cool. I had never used that before this video. I'm starting to like it. But anyway, hey, I appreciate you guys. Have a great one, and keep it 100.